If the customer is complaining of the AC not cooling, carry out the following checks one by one to detect the problem and then rectify it. First and foremost, before beginning to check the machine to trace the fault, check the mode on which the AC is running. If the AC is running on fan mode, the AC will not cool the room. Put the AC on cool mode. But if the AC is already running on cool mode and it is still not cooling, then check the voltage. It should best be 220 volts to 240 volts. If the reading is below or higher than this recommended level, it will not affect the cooling, but you must educate the customer accordingly and proceed forward to trace the fault. Take the ampere of the system. The reading should be as per the rated ampere. If the ampere is 10% less than the normal rated ampere, take the voltage of the system. If the voltage reading is also low, then the ampere will automatically be low too. Educate the customer accordingly. But in case the voltage lies in the normal range and the ampere is still low, then there could be a defect in the sealed system. Carry out the following checks and detect the problem. And replace the compressor. The capacitor could be weak. And take ampere again. Now if the ampere is as per the rated ampere, now if voltage and ampere temperature differential is less than 10 degrees to 12 it is not fixed to the shaft properly, it will not blow the cooled air into the room, and therefore the room will not cool. But if the blower is also fixed to the shaft properly, if the connectors are loose, burned, or have come out, and the AC is still not cooling, if the compressor is running normally, it means the sensor is okay now. But if the sensor is also okay and the AC is not performing, then check the condensation of the system. If the condensation is not proper, if the fuse is normal and the output is still not there, normal, replace the LVT or the PCB depending upon the